Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So today we're showing you this interlink system. Now we're only going to be reviewing the RF220, but I wanted to show you guys these. All three can be interlinked together if you want. You could just use this as a standalone unit, or it can link with these. So one goes off, it alerts you on the other house, other side, upstairs, whatnot. So the model is SRF200 and SCRF200. If you want to link them with the RF220. So guys, let's go ahead and unbox the RF220. Alright guys, they give you a mounting bracket, which is underneath here, screws to go with it, and a manual. So once this is on, you can actually pair it up. So let's go ahead and twist it off to the side. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to pull the battery out, and then you're going to take off that little plastic piece that's right there. Now that is just to help pull the battery out. We're going to drop that down in like that. Once you drop it down in and you line this up, again, you don't have to mount this on a ceiling or wall, but that's how you would mount it. You take it off, put the screws in, and then you would turn the whole unit on. But once we put on this, all right, then you go ahead and you press the test button to make sure that it's working. All right, now we know it's working. So we're good to go. You have the lock and unlock, depending on how you turn it. And now you can mount this wherever you want, or you can just set it on a desktop, set it wherever you want. So for us, we're gonna actually set this one right up in our top corner, right up here in our kitchen. Again, the other ones are interlinkable as well, so if this one goes off, the other ones will go off as well if you guys get them. If not, just this one.